Fortis Healthcare enters Odisha. Big expansion with 300-bed hospital in Cuttack. Fortis Healthcare has announced a major strategic expansion by entering Odisha for the first time through an operations and management agreement. The company will operate a new 300-bed multi-specialty hospital in partnership with the Dion Group, marking another important step in its national growth strategy. The upcoming hospital will be developed at Dion Riverside Township in Trishulya, Cuttack, one of the fastest growing regions in the Cuttack-Bhubaneswar corridor. Once operational, the facility is expected to become a major tertiary care destination for patients across Odisha and neighboring states. Unlike acquiring or constructing hospitals entirely on its own, Fortis has chosen an asset-light operations and management model. This approach allows the company to expand its healthcare network while reducing capital expenditure and improving return on invested capital. Asset-light expansion has become an increasingly popular strategy among leading hospital chains. By managing hospitals instead of owning every asset, healthcare companies can scale faster while maintaining operational efficiency. For investors, this announcement is significant because it reflects Fortis Healthcare's continued focus on expanding its geographical footprint. Odisha has remained a relatively underserved market for premium private healthcare, creating long-term growth opportunities. The hospital will offer comprehensive tertiary and quaternary healthcare services across multiple specialties. The Cuttack-Bhubaneswar region has witnessed rapid urbanization and economic development over the past decade. Rising incomes, population growth and increasing health awareness are creating strong demand for quality private healthcare services. Many patients from Odisha currently travel to cities like Kolkata, Hyderabad, Chennai and Bengaluru for advanced treatment. The new Fortis managed hospital aims to reduce this dependence by bringing specialized healthcare services closer to patients. Reducing medical travel not only improves patient convenience but also strengthens the local healthcare ecosystem. Better access to advanced treatment can significantly improve healthcare outcomes across the region. The partnership also benefits Dion Group by adding world-class healthcare infrastructure to its integrated township development. Such collaborations create value for both organizations while strengthening social infrastructure. According to Fortis management, this partnership aligns with the company's broader expansion strategy across India. The company plans to continue growing through a combination of brownfield expansion, acquisitions and operations or management agreements. Brownfield expansion generally offers faster execution compared to setting up entirely new hospitals. Existing infrastructure and established demand often allow healthcare companies to generate returns more quickly. However, entering completely new states also brings strategic advantages. Geographic diversification reduces dependence on a few regional markets while creating multiple long-term growth engines. Eastern India remains one of the most promising healthcare markets due to improving economic activity and relatively lower penetration of organized private hospital chains. This gives established brands an opportunity to capture premium healthcare demand. The proposed hospital will also create employment opportunities across medical, nursing, diagnostic, and administrative functions. Large multi-specialty hospitals often become healthcare hubs that attract skilled professionals and supporting businesses. Another important aspect is Fortis' ability to leverage its established clinical expertise across new locations. Standardized medical protocols, experienced doctors, and strong hospital management systems can improve operational quality from the very beginning. Technology will likely play a major role in the new facility as well. Advanced diagnostic equipment, digital healthcare systems, and specialized treatment capabilities are becoming essential for modern tertiary care hospitals. Healthcare remains one of India's fastest growing sectors due to rising life expectancy, higher healthcare spending, and increasing insurance penetration. These structural trends continue to support long-term demand for organized hospital operators. Government initiatives to improve healthcare infrastructure are also encouraging greater participation from private hospital chains. Public-private collaborations are expected to become increasingly common in addressing India's growing healthcare needs. From a financial perspective, investors should understand that this announcement is a long-term strategic development rather than an immediate earnings trigger. The hospital will require time before becoming operational and contributing meaningfully to revenues. Nevertheless, such expansion announcements often demonstrate management's confidence in future demand. Consistent network expansion strengthens brand presence and creates additional revenue opportunities over the coming years. Investors should also monitor the timeline for project execution, operational commencement, and occupancy levels after launch. Hospital profitability generally improves gradually as patient volumes and utilization increase. Management commentary suggests that Fortis remains committed to expanding through capital-efficient growth models. If executed successfully, this strategy could support sustainable earnings growth while maintaining financial discipline. The Indian healthcare industry continues to witness rising demand for specialized treatments including oncology, cardiology, neurology, and critical care. Large multi-specialty hospitals are well positioned to benefit from these long-term demographic and lifestyle trends. Competition in the private healthcare sector remains strong, with several leading hospital chains expanding aggressively across different regions. Fortis' ability to differentiate itself through clinical excellence and patient outcomes will remain an important competitive advantage. For long-term investors, this development reinforces Fortis Healthcare's strategy of building a wider national presence without significantly increasing capital intensity. Asset-light growth can potentially improve shareholder returns if projects are executed efficiently. Overall, Fortis Healthcare's entry into Odisha represents more than just another hospital announcement. It signals the company's intention to strengthen its presence in underserved healthcare markets while leveraging partnerships to accelerate expansion across India.